Does ln x squared equal ln x all squared? Well, let's just examine this. According to our laws of logarithms, using the third law over here, we can rearrange ln x squared into 2 ln x, while ln x all squared really means that we're multiplying ln x twice. The law of logs are not used here because they are not appropriate. Let's just try now and differentiate both sides. Differentiating 2 ln x will just give us 2 over x. Okay, let's differentiate on the right hand side here ln x all squared separately and ln x times ln x separately. So that if y is equal to ln x all squared, then dy dx is going to be differentiated using the chain rule. First of all, differentiate overall, which is 2 ln x, which would be now to the power of 1, and now differentiate what's inside, 1 over x. And simplify this to be 2 ln x over x. Now let's have a look on the other side. What would happen if y is equal to ln x multiplied by ln x? We're going to use the product rule, where u is equal to ln x and u dash is equal to 1 over x, and of course v will also be equal to ln x and v dash will be 1 over x. So our dy dx can be now written as u dash v plus u v dash, which is going to be 1 over x times ln x plus ln x times 1 over x. And this becomes 2 ln x over x, the same as on the left-hand side. I hope you've noticed that when you look at both sides together, you'll find that ln x squared is not then the same as ln x all squared. So the answer to our problem is no. They are not the same. And I can show you this graphically. And this is a graph of ln x squared, or you could also say it's 2 ln x, while this is a graph of ln x all squared, or ln x and ln x multiplied by ln x.